Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 39. Which of the following is not a quality of money? A. Acceptability. B. Durability. C. Indivisibility. D. Portability. E. Scarcity. So, the concept we are looking at is qualities of money. We are looking at the concept of qualities of money, or the characteristics. It's another word that can be used, of money. So let's look at which one cannot be described as a quality of money. In option A, acceptability is a quality of money because money must be generally accepted, or whatever item used as money must be generally accepted by the country as a means of exchange. It's a means of exchange, so it must be acceptable. So acceptability is a quality of money, and we are asked for which is not a quality. So A, acceptability, cannot be the answer to this question, so this is ruled out. Now option B, which is durability. Durability is described as, or as it relates to money, whatever object or the object used as money must be able to last long. It must not be perishable, so it must be durable. So durability is a quality of money, and hence is not the answer to this question. Now option C, indivisibility, is not exactly a characteristic, not a set out characteristic of money. So option C, indivisibility, is the answer to this question. However, let's take a look at the remaining options to see how they relate to money. Now for portability, whatever item used as money must be something that can be carried about from one place to another. So whatever item is used as money must be portable, and that is why it is not the answer to this question, because it is a quality of money. And then option E, scarcity, is not the answer because it is also a quality of money, as money must be relatively scarce so it does not lose its value. So indivisibility is not a characteristic of money or a quality of money, and is the answer to this question. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.